Hello dear students, my name is Dr. Vishali Ghai and the name of this channel is Tricks by Chemistry Guru. So today in series of quick revision, we'll talk about scalar and vector quantities. In previous topics we have discussed what motion is, what are its various types and what is uniform and non-uniform motion. Now today we'll talk about scalar and vector quantity. So first we'll start with the scalar. Scalar means one such quantity which can be easily specified by magnitude. So if I write scalar, I'll just write scalar as one which can be easily specified by magnitude. So we require only magnitude. Whereas when we talk about vector, we say that such quantity specified by magnitude as well as direction. That means it gives us direction also, the knowledge of direction also. This scalar may change by change of their magnitude. That means if I change the magnitude, its value will also change. So scalar will change just by change in magnitude. So if I change the value, the quantity will also get changed. Vector quantity change by change of either the magnitude or by direction. That means even if I change the magnitude only, the quantity may change. I change direction, quantity may change. I change both the things, then also the quantity changes. So these vector quantities change by change of either magnitude or direction or by both. If we change both, then also the quantity changes. Okay. These scalar quantities can be directly added or subtracted. We can directly add or subtract the quantity. Like if I write 2 plus 3, it is 5. So it can be directly added or subtracted as per the rules of normal algebra. So it follows the rules of normal algebra. Okay. But these are always added or subtracted by the laws of vector addition. By the laws of vector addition. We'll discuss how it happens and how it takes place. So it considers direction also. So here the addition or subtraction may follow via law of vector addition. Let us discuss an example. Say I'm having distance and displacement. So I say distance is a scalar quantity and displacement is a vector quantity. So what is distance? Suppose you start from a point A and you moving from different ways and reaches to point D. Okay. So the distance, what is the distance traveled? Is moving from A to B, B to C and C to D. So distance is sum of all these. Whereas if I talk about displacement, which is vector quantity, it is the shortest path measured from initial and final position. Measured from initial to final position, whatever be the shortest path we can count. So we can say distance is a scalar quantity. It refers to distance between 2 points. Displacement is vector quantity. It refers with the minimum or the shortest distance from initial to final position. So I can say distance is basically the length of total path covered by the body. So here distance is moving from A to B plus B to C plus C to D. So total path covered is distance, whereas displacement is only the least distance between the initial and the final position. So distance I can say is a scalar and displacement is vector quantity. Distance gives complete information of the route or the path which a body follows, whereas displacement, it does not give any complete information. Like if I talk about displacement, moving from A to D is displacement. Whatever be the path it follows, it doesn't show. So if I come this way or if I come directly this way, so displacement does not tell us any path. It does not give any information, or I can say complete information about the path that is covered by the body. Distance is always positive. Displacement can be positive, can be negative, can be zero. Displacement can be positive negative or 0. Okay. So how it can be? So if I change the direction in reverse direction, then we can find the displacement to be negative. That we'll discuss. So this is the basic difference between scalar and vector quantity. Similarly, one more example is speed and velocity. That is also an example of scalar and vector. So if I talk about speed, speed is a scalar quantity. If I say velocity, velocity is vector quantity. What is the speed? Speed is defined as distance covered per unit time, whereas velocity is displacement covered per unit time. So distance upon time is speed, displacement upon time is velocity. Speed tells us how fast an object can move. Velocity tells us how fast as well as in which direction it moves. So we come to know the knowledge of direction from velocity. And thus speed is a scalar quantity and velocity is vector quantity. Clear? So this is a basic knowledge about scalar and vector quantity with their examples. So speed here comes, distance also is a scalar quantity, whereas velocity and displacement are the vector quantity. So please like this video and subscribe the channel. Thank you.